Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're heading to the heart of the United States Capitol, Washington, D.C., to discover the story behind one of the most iconic monuments in America, the Washington Monument. It's tall, it's white, it's impossible to miss, and yes, it's a giant obelisk. But why did they choose this shape? And what does it symbolize? Let's explore the meaning and history of this impressive tribute to the nation's first president, George Washington. The Washington Monument stands proudly on the National Mall between the U.S. Capitol and the Lincoln Memorial. It's 555 feet tall and made of marble, granite, and sandstone. When it was completed in 1884, it was the tallest structure in the world, and to this day, it remains the tallest stone structure and obelisk on the planet. So why an obelisk? The design was inspired by ancient Egyptian obelisks, which were tall stone pillars used to honor powerful leaders and deities. Choosing this shape for George Washington was a way to symbolize his strength, leadership, and the lasting impact he had on the nation. The simple, bold form of the obelisk also reflects Washington's character: strong, stable, and unshakable. Construction of the monument began in 1848, but it faced many delays, including funding problems and the Civil War. The project was paused for nearly 2 decades and resumed in the 1870s. If you look closely, you can see a color change in the stone about 1/3 of the way up. That marks the point where construction stopped and later resumed with a different type of marble. Inside the monument, there's an elevator that takes visitors to the top for an amazing view of Washington, D.C. Along the interior walls, you'll find commemorative stones donated by states, cities, and organizations to honor Washington's legacy. The Washington Monument isn't just a tall statue. It's a powerful reminder of America's roots and the man who led the country through its earliest days. It stands as a symbol of unity, strength, and respect for a leader who chose humility over power. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why the Washington Monument is a giant obelisk and why it plays such an important role in American history and identity. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.